Hey guys, I left my normal camera at the hotel, but I wanted to get some shots here. Look at all the shells, which I'm barefoot, so this hurts really bad. But I wanted to get shots of these birds here. Let's see. See? Look how cool. There's crabs apparently hiding in there. We just missed a seagull eating a crab, which was freaking awesome. So we missed out on that. But these guys are really cool. I think they're cranes. I'm honestly not sure exactly what kind of bird they are. But take a look out there. I think Joe almost fell. I've almost fallen in 500,000 times. Oh. These guys are freaking awesome. And there's like locals watching, so definitely looking like a tourist right now. Here's hoping I don't fall into the drink.
Don't drop that.
With the camera, yeah, like Joey said. So can you see some boats out there? Tide's starting to rise a little bit. I don't know if you can see way out there. There are some more boats. Let's see what else we got here. Land. That's so cool. Trying not to make you all dizzy. There's some more birds just chilling over here. And there's some more resorts. There's like dead horseshoe crabs all over the place. Yeah, look, there's one. There's like part of a dead horseshoe crab thing right there. They're all over the place. I don't know if like they've had mating season and then they die. I'm not sure. I hear one of them yelling. Alright guys, I'll see you later.